Hello friends, सबको नमस्ते. So today in this video we will create a perspective transformation. You can say transformation tool using OpenCV. So let me first preview it. What we are doing in this code. So it will take time. If suppose I want to see this is the angle of this text, or you can say this page. If I want to see it in such a way that I can see it in as a in front, I am saving it without any angle. So let me just select four points. See, this is my perspective transformation image. You can say it gets straight in front of my eyes without any angle. And here this is a adapted threshold. I am applying it so that we can see image more clear. Okay, so this thing we are doing here. So let me close everything. Okay, in simple way, let me give you one definition here. Perspective transformation, it reshapes an image so that a tilted or squeezed object appears straight and properly aligned, like looking at it from the front. This thing which we are is done by the perspective transformation. Okay, so let me comment the whole code, and line by line I will explain you. uh, I will also explain you what is adaptive threshold, so don't worry. During explanation only I will explain you. So before that, please like, share and subscribe my channel to make more videos like this. So first step is import required libraries for image processing. Load the input image, create an empty list to store mouse click point. So these are the required libraries which we use. Okay, I will explain the meaning of use of threshold local and everything. I will don't so don't worry. These are required libraries, and load the input image. So here we are loading it, and also we resizing it to 1280 and 720 is your. You can say this is a width and a height. You can say this is third image, second image, and one image. We will do perspective transformation in all three image one by one. Okay. So this is the points. I'll show you that first I have selected the 4 points. So this is a list of all. After selecting this, all points will be stored in the list, not dictionary. Okay, then what is that? Define mouse callback function to capture 4 points. So this is your, you can say this is your function here, mouse callback function. How we are doing it? So let me, okay, here we are doing perspective transformation. So let me do it later. I will do it. Okay, let me come here. This is your main thing here. What is happening, everything, let me do it. Okay, so here threshold will not come. This is your function part. This is the main part which we are doing. Okay, so here first we slap points window we will create, and okay, after that we will show that image, img image. We can show that and say, make sure that the window which we have created and the window which we are in using for the show will be same. Then mouse click callback functionality we have to add. For that, when on which window we have to want to add, we want to add in this window, and mouse click function will get activated when this window we can say will get activated. Okay, and this is the print information. cv wait key, yes, wait for the infinite time. Destroy all window whenever I close the window, it will destroy window, or you can say release the memory. So this way, when this window will get activated, this callback mouse callback function, you can say functionality will also be get activated, and mouse click function will get activated. Here this mouse click function is this. It give me event, which event we are following, means left button down, left button up, this function like this. XY give me the coordinates values of the pointer, where the pointer is moving on a this select point window. Then the flag and params are their meaning, but this time just extra one, but we have to define it as a parameters here. These points I already explained you what is points here and what is image here. Now let me explain you. As soon as I press the left key button, this event will get activated. If statement get activated, cv2 dot event left button down, and length of the points will be less than 4. Then only it will work. Okay, means two conditions will be there. If I will press left button down, and length of the points will be less than 4, both conditions will be true. Okay, Now, as soon as I press left button down, this x by value will be appended in points dictionary. Because it's not dictionary, the list. And as soon as I press left button down 4 times, this list will get 4 values, and length will be it will not be less than 4, and this if statement will not work. But as soon as if suppose first time I will putting the left button down, this point value will get xy value, and we will draw the circle in xy with the 6 radius, you can say, color, and this is -1 means fill color, and this will here also we can show that. So for clarity, let me print list, points. Now let me show you what is happening here. As soon as I press this, run this, my image will be there. Now as soon as I press this, click on here, see here list will only one point list will be there. Now whenever I press second time, the list will get 2 points value. When I press third time, let me press it here, it will get 3 values. But let me press fourth time, it will get 4 values. But right now if we press again, it does not show anything to me. Okay, see, nothing will be there because if statement will not activated, because both conditions will be true. So everything has done here. We have collected the 4 points. Now draw after 4 points selected, apply perspective transformation. So now here we apply the perspective transformation. As soon as we get the 4 points, this if the length of the points will be 4, perspective transformation and threshold will get activated. Okay, this function will get activated in shorter way. Okay, so let's get started. Done. So here we can do. So how we can apply it? See, after getting the points, means here after getting the points, because points is a global variable, so we do not need to pass it here. So after getting the points, we have to convert all points value into the float. Okay, see why we are converting. So convert points to 32-bit to floating value because OpenCV required this format. List of the 4 selected corner points from the original image. So these are the 4 points which we have done. This is a height and width. Okay, which we want to display perspective transformation. Okay, then what is the use of this? Points to destination points, where points 1, these are the points 1, will be mapped. This point will be mapped to this point. Okay, top left corner of the output image, top right, bottom left. How we can map it with the how we can map these points with these points using this function get perspective transformation. We can map it here. After getting the map, we get matrix of 3 by 3. Let me show you. See, points 1 source point from the original image, points 2 destination point to the output image, matrix 3.3 transformation matrix that map points 1 to points 2. This way we get a matrix. After that, to get the image, or can say, image, how we can get it? We can get it using this wrapped here. Using this cv2.wrap perspective, we can get a image. Okay, so original image, yes, we ask the original image, then the matrix, perspective transformation matrix, and the width and height. Final transformation top view will be get. So let me comment extra thing. Adaptive transform threshold we apply later. I will explain you later here. Which okay, see, okay, till here we just want to see the wrapped image till now. So let me save it and run it. Here, 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 and here. See, we get a perspective transformation, but you can say the some area the dullness is there. Okay, brightness is not there or dullness is there. We cannot get a perspective transformation. Actually, means that brightness image we are not getting. So that's why we have to add the adaptive threshold. Uh, Let me select one image different. Let me select this first image. Okay, let me save it now and run it again. If select, I will select this one, this one, this one, and this one. See here, image is in RGB, but here you can say we cannot get a read, or you can say we do not get a brightness image or uh, in short, we cannot read it. Okay, we cannot get brightest image. So how we can do it? We can easily add a adaptive threshold which give me the black and white image with more clarity. Okay, so for that we add adaptive threshold here. So what is the process of adding the adaptive threshold? I will explain you here. Okay, so don't worry. And here this one also. Now I'll come back. We are okay. We are wrapped is completed here. Convert the image to SSD color format. SSD separate color and brightness, which means processing easier. Okay, why we are converting in HSB in wrapped image to SSD? Because HSB separate color and brightness. Okay, that's why. After that, we need V color. What is V? Take only the V channel. V means value, means which, how bright each pixel is. Bright pixel, high value, means bright pixel means high value, dark pixel means low value. So we want brightness of the color, brightness of the image. So brightness of the image part only. So that's why HSB, this give me this brightness image part only. What is adaptive threshold? In very simple way, decide white or black for each pixel based on nearby pixels. It work well even if the image has shadows or uneven light. So that's why we need adaptive threshold. Now how we can apply it? In just two line we can do it. Calculate local threshold. This local threshold which we have uploaded it, or you can say imported it from the SK image filters. Okay, this V basically, you can say here V is, you can say the brightness of pixel value of the image. Brightness of pixel value 25. Look at a small 25 into 25 area around each pixel. Offset 50, slightly lower the threshold to detect more details. Quotient nearby pixel. T, store the brightness limit for every pixel. Brightness limit, what T will store? Brightness limit for every pixel using this threshold local. Now after that, how we can get the adaptive threshold? Just use compare brightness with threshold. If pixel brightness V, if brightness V is simple way, if pixel brightness V means this one is greater than the local threshold which we have calculated here, then the pixel will become white, as other else it become black. Okay, so this way we get a other adaptive threshold image, and well we have show here. So now let me run it. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So here you can see our image become more clear and bright so that you can easily read it. Okay, so let me close it now. And one more thing, I have a different way to add a adaptive threshold which is more, you can say, more clear to you. So now let me apply that one. Okay, let me do it. More easiest way to add a adaptive threshold. So let me comment this whole part. This is just for the explanation purpose I have done it. Now how to add an adaptive threshold? Just convert the wrapped image to the grayscale image and use adaptive threshold function which we is able to provide. We have just passed the image, maximum value will be white. This is the adaptive method. This is output type will be black and white, and this is block size will be, look here what is 25 blocks. See here 25 is local area, same way 25 and 15 offset, which is this one, and this way we get a threshold image. Okay, it's more clear, you can say it's less, you can say less line is wasted here. Now let me run it. It give me the same thing. Suppose I do this one, this one, this one, and this one. Same thing is happening. I think so. Previous method is more better than this. Okay, previous method is better, but just for the simplicity, or just for that we provide error threshold in the CB2. I have given you how you can use both method. Now let me do for second image, because second image is left for everything. Now let me save it and run it. Let me show you that thing also. So I want this, This image will not get clarity because it's already in a dull format. Okay, so it already in dull format, so we don't get much clear image. So this way we add a perspective transformation and adaptive threshold. I have shown you two methods how you can add a adaptive threshold. It's up to you which method you will apply. Okay, so I have explained each and everything line by line. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to all.